Hello, in front of me I've got Sony earbuds. In this video I'll show you how to find device. In the beginning, make sure that your headphones are connected to your smartphone. And now go to Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. Go to your headphones settings, find device, and now you can tap on speaker button. Your earbuds will play loud sound that will help you locate your device, or you can go to last known location. Continue, enter password. Make sure that location for your earbuds is enabled, and then you'll be able to check location of your earbuds on the map. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.